Hey guys, welcome to another interesting edition with Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. All right, so if this is your first time on this channel, we want to say a very big thank you to you. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for tuning to our channel. Well, please encourage that you subscribe if you've not. Kindly click on the subscription button in front of you and get subscribed, and do not forget to tap on the bell so you get notified when a new video is dropped. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for your loyalty. We appreciate you. Right, so I know you may be wondering what we have here. What are we up to this time around? I want to bring to you this 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 roses. I've noticed and realized that some of us are stuck in the dilemma of knowing how to make rose, or probably not having the right kind of rose, or the right color of rose that you want at a particular time, to get a job done. And some of us millennials are also familiar with these petals, right? I know you've seen things like this before. We also use it to make bridal and fan. And then you probably do not know what to make out of this, or how to go about it, or how to use it, or you probably don't even have the idea that you can use it to make roses like this, and so many more. In this class, I'm going to teach you how to achieve this rose using this petal. It is sold at the market, it's not expensive, and then it comes in different colors. Okay, so if you learn how to make this rose, and then one other style I'm going to teach you, I don't think you should be stuck in trying to get what rose, or not having the right kind of rose to buy, especially when you are in an environment where things like this don't come handy. Hope you understand. It's very simple and beautiful. Okay, so let us go. This is what we are making. So this is how the petal comes straight from the market. I'm sure you're familiar with it. If you are not familiar with it, it's okay, it's fine. After this class, you will be familiar with it. It comes like this and in different colors. So I've disassembled it. You can just pick any one, pick it up this way, and then separate it. Okay, that's what I did here. All right, good. So how are we going to achieve this? You need your ugum, you need your petals, any color. You also need to disassemble it like this. You need your gun, and then the wax. Okay, right. So I've disassembled some already. If it's not enough, we keep disassembling. Okay, so I pick one up this way. Okay, my wax, my glue. I pick up another one, and then I place it like this. Okay, like this. I reach out for my glue gun again. I pick up a petal. I place it. Okay, my gun. pick up a petal and I place. You can see a rose is forming already. All right. So I have this as my base. So I haven't gotten this. I will start filling it from the back. Okay. I pick up another one. Okay. I place it in between this and this way. I press them so that the glue will stick properly. I place it in between this and this. The next one, we'll place it here. So it's going to be covering this and this, but behind. This way. It stays. So you just keep filling it up that way. From behind. If you don't have your wax, you can use your ugom. It's building already. So we keep filling it up that way. So you keep filling it up that way for it to keep building up till it gets to the size, the required size that you want. Okay, you can end it like this. All right. If you want it to be as big as this, you continue filling. If you want this size, if this size is okay for you, you continue filling. All right. So I think I'm okay with the size. All right. So we'll start filling from inside now. When you're okay with the size of what you have, we just add a few on the inner parts. Just place it. I press it down. It's hot. You continue filling it until you think you are okay with what you are seeing. Okay. I'll fold this into two. I'll place it inside. This place need filling. Okay. When we fill it up like this, it's ready. I think it's okay like this. So basically, you just use your eyes and your inner mind, and then a picture you have in your heart how you want the rose to come out to work. Okay. So I'll put the glue here. I'll fill I'll fill this in. I can use my scissors to and you are good with your roses. If you think you want another one in this middle, just fold one into two. Beautiful, right? Yeah, careful. And we are good. All right, so if you think you've learned anything from this video, kindly subscribe, comment, give a thumbs up, and also let me know where you are watching this video from. Okay. All right, so in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make another style using the same petals. Bye bye.